an extreme threat to life and property, not just as the storm is coming in, but well beyond that. This is the European model forecast showing you the storm strengthening as near landfall later today. And watch how little
Eat cookies and
Saturday.
oh, great. Now I can't hear the dude because this lady, this surge winning lady, keeps interrupting me. Now I can't hear the people on the news.
The emergency plan should include a reasonable threat of strong tropical storm force winds of 58 to 73 miles per hour.
Oh, wow.
Earnestly prepare for the potential of significant wind impacts.